You see how those bushing look? How this one look? So that's gonna raise the sway bar up, give you better stabilization on that. Then we're gonna go from that black one to this one. That's the way it's supposed to look. That's the size. So I'm gonna move you guys a little bit back. Alright, so let's loosen over here. I get an extension cord, a little bit of extension over here. Oh, no, I can get it. Okay. Oh man. Ah, I went out of juice. Okay. Well, guys, I ran out of juice. Alright, guys, so there we go. I'm about to tighten that down. Now, I went from a 12 to a 14 here. I already tied that down on top. Sorry, working underneath the car is kind of sometimes a pain in the butt. I'm trying to get the best footage for you guys. So, 14. That's it. Guys, look at the difference. Look at the difference. This is 30 years in the car. Honda to this aftermarket one that I bought it from AutoZone. Cost me like $29 for this set. Should hold back. You see how now so much farther away from the arm. Should be able to hold better on the road, and you're gonna notice that your car is gonna lift about maybe an inch or less. So let's go us. All right, guys, let me wash my hands real quick. They're filthy. I want to show you how bad my sway bar links were. It's very easy to do. It should only take you, man, maybe if you had the right tool, half an hour. And that's including lifting the car in the air, putting the, sorry if my face is dirty, putting the towers to safety. Always be safe. Yo, you see this? This is the shit, bro. Each wipe right here. These are my sway bar bushings. And these are the new ones. Look how much difference are they. A lot different, right? So that should last me another 10 years, hopefully. And then these right here are my sway bar. This is a sway bar links. This is a sway bar bushing. Look at the difference. It's not because this is the wrong side. They start like that, so less vibration. And this is water, humidity, oil, everything on the road make them. Look, you can see the rust on it. For years to be in the same spot. This should be better. Alright guys, well, I want to finish my job. I'm done for the day, guys. God bless you. Have a good day. Hit like, hit share, subscribe to my channel. And always remember, don't crush your Hondas. Restore them, fix them.